Hello guys and welcome to another UK Card Club unboxing video. Today we're going to be unboxing this. Oh, not that, I don't know where that come from. This has come from playingcarddecks.com. It's a 24 random deck bundle and I'm going to crack it open, lay them out one at a time and we'll see what we've got. Can I just comment that although I desperately hate packing peanuts, the packaging of this is amazing. They put these really hard, solid corner pieces in. It's almost like wood. They put this in to hold the two bricks in place. They've filled around with packing peanuts, but also each brick is covered in its own bubble wrap protection. Brilliant job of packaging. Yeah, that's all I'm going to say on packaging. Let's get inside this one and see what we've got. More packaging. I always end up having to wipe this down after I get a package from them because of all the packing peanuts. Right, so first we have Copag Neos, which I'm not disappointed with. I've got a deck of these already, but yeah, I can destroy one now and have a nice clean one there. Tally Ho Special Edition 2019s. The tuck case is fantastic, looks really nice. Then we have Top Aces of World War One. That looks really cool. I like that. Got the Be Juicy Sunset Camos. Be Juicy, my friend. Now, I really love these. They remind me of Bape, the brand, which is really quite cool. They're really hype. They're sort of a hype brand, but I really like that. Then we have the Harmonic playing cards. Be interesting back. Be quite good for fanning and etc. The Draconian Whites. That looks awesome. I like the fact that the focus of the tuck is on the back as well, not on the front. That's really cool. Diamond playing cards. Pretty cool. Manufactured in Amsterdam. We have Kois. I think I've already got these, but I'm not bothered. Really cool. For some reason, got a second deck of the Sunset Camo Be Juicy things, and I swear it said you'd be guaranteed a different deck. Each one would be different, so I don't know whether that was a mistake, but it's not the end of the world. Kavala? I want to say Kavala. Pretty nice. Sort of Celtic patterns across the sword there. Circus Edition Nostalgic playing cards. Oh, I love that. It's 2082 of 2,500. Admit one. Now that is a really nice touch. I like that. Awesome. Then we have this. I don't know what this is and I don't plan on opening it to find out because that is mysterious. It's almost like the Bad Robot decks. So I don't think I'm ever going to find out what that is. I might have to Google it and find out. But onto the second brick. Again, boxed. So here we have the Pharaoh Edition, which I was really excited about. This one's been battered a little bit in the post, which made me sad, but it is what it is. It's been beaten up, but I was really excited about getting those, so I'll be interested to crack them open and have a look. Northfell, I have these already, so not really much to say about them. Lunatica, which again has been battered. It's a shame, really. Oh man. Series 1800s, got a few of those. Winterberries. They look really cool. Nice tuck, nice back, nice seal. Yeah, I like them. Bicycle Conflicts. Really cool back design there, I like that. Nice custom seal. Mummies. I don't have these. They look pretty cool. Be interested to crack these open and have a look. Bicycle Neo Classics. That back design's pretty swish, isn't it? Nice seal on it. It's cool. We've got the Crazy 8s, number 13 and 3/5. I don't know what that's about. Yeah, very nice. Look forward to those. Bicycle Day of the Dead, so I've got these. The ones I have got are open, so nice to have a sealed one. I don't know what these are. I presume they make up a bigger picture. Oh, there we go. The Birth of Venus playing card. Pretty cool, isn't it? Very different. And last but not least, we have the Bicycle Open Seasons. Oh, look at that. It's like a rider back, but with two stags and a couple of deer at the top. And that's limited of 1,100. So yeah, that's really nice. Awesome. Right, I'm a bit confused. So usually you get a business card and 3 random cards from random decks. And I don't know why, but I haven't received them this time. Which is a bit of a shame, but it is what it is. I'm happy. Smashing deal on these. So yeah, can't complain. Look forward to seeing what these are like online. Obviously, I'm not opening them. And yeah, a little bit of a shame that these 2 corners have got damaged. But it's not the end of the world. I'm excited. I'm happy. And I don't mind opening these because they've been damaged. I was going to keep them. Hey ho. Overall, amazing haul. Really happy. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you next time when we'll be unboxing, reviewing, looking at, doing something with something. I can't even add something else then. I'll catch you next time. Take care.